nice little flip here. Paid $2 for these. As you can see, I listed them on Friday and I still haven't got them completely put away because I'm sort of running out of room here. We're working on that situation, but yeah, these just sold yesterday, last night, for $80. So I'll take that any day. Picked up this Stetson hat for $5. I think it's a GoPro and I just dropped it. And it sold for $40. It's got some character to it, doesn't it? A couple of nice pieces of glass here that sold for $10. They weren't marked or anything. I just thought they were a nice color and sort of unusual patterns. And they could be Indiana glass, so some of Indiana glass is really valuable. I bought a big gallon Ziploc baggie full of like these crafting wood chisels and stuff, and this was in there. This sold for $15, but I've done well with them chisels. I sold a set for $30 and 2 individual chisels for I think $20 a piece, and then I still have one set left listed. So we're in some pretty nice profit on that little purchase. I purchased this Sonicare toothbrush from a little old lady, and she was asking $10, and I really didn't want to pay that much because this was not new in the package. So I offered her $5 and she wouldn't take it. She was sticking at $10. So I looked at the rest of their stuff and I found this beautiful set of Heller melamine ware, which was designed by a famous Italian designer. So as soon as I saw the designer's name on there, she was asking $50 for the set. I popped on the set, not knowing for sure what they were worth, but figuring they were worth more than $50. And I went ahead and said, I'll give you an even 60, and bought this too. And this sold for $10.95. So I got my money back on that, and did really good on the Hellerware. So it was worth the buy.